What up, cousin? Your favorite cousin is back with another video. Well, y'all, we got broken into at the RV park. Let's get into this video. Welcome, cousins. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, go ahead and come on in and make yourself comfortable. I'm Shay, or you can call me Cousins. And welcome back to all my continuously subscribers. But anyway, cousins, let me go and tell y'all what happened. The other day, about 2 in the morning, I heard something. And I was like, what is that noise out there? So my husband, it's somebody getting in their car. And y'all, I ain't thinking nothing about it because, you know, people get in their car and they leave early for work. So he came outside and he was like, babe, somebody done broke in the car. I'm like, boy, stop playing. I'm thinking he playing. He was like, no, somebody had broken into the car. So we get out there. They didn't dump all his work stuff out of his book bag, took the book bag and dropped a gun holder on his way out. Okay, so when I get back from the store yesterday, I seen the police at the front of the RV park. So I'm like, what is the police doing up here? So I get to walking up here, and so I asked the man, can I ask you something? He was like, yeah. I was like, did something happen to your car or something last night? He was like, yeah, why would you say that? I was like, because somebody broke into our car last night, and the only thing they took was a book bag, and they dropped the gun holder. And he was like, you know what? I think the gun holder is mine, because when they went in my car, he said they took out his gun and something else out of his car. And 3 trailers up from here, a lady said that somebody got her baby tablet out the car. But usually, y'all, out here, sometimes I don't lock my doors or nothing. So they thinking that it was somebody that didn't stay out here that just came around hitting cars. But anyway, y'all, that was one of my big issues. And I do want to tell y'all know I want to keep 100. I'm going to drop a video up here, as y'all can see, of my house. When it was raining real bad, it started leaking right on the slide part. But I'm going to drop a video so you can see what I'm saying. Okay, cousins, y'all know I always keep it 100 and real with y'all. Let y'all know all the good that's going on with the RV. And I intend to let y'all know all the bad stuff that's going on. But as you can see, this drip right here is coming through. This is on my slide out. This is on my slide out, and you can see the drip coming through. It's a small drip. It's dripping just a little bit, as you can see. But I do have this right here to catch the drip, but this would have dripped in us so far. So I have had someone to look at it, and they told me it was because I don't have it leveled right. So they was telling me that if I get it leveled and make it go farther to this side, that I won't have that problem. I was told that the reason why it's doing it because the water is sitting on top of the slide and it's going inside of the cracks because it's not tilted. So I need to tilt it so it'll go a little bit more this way so the water can slide out. But again, y'all, I wanted y'all to see what was going on. You see the drip? I told y'all I'm going to keep it all the way transparent with y'all, but here go the drip right here. But I had the guy come out here, and he told us the reason why it was leaking in the slide part, because he said I needed to tilt my RV to the back so it have a way to slide down, because he said the water is just sitting up because I have it level. So he told me that we need to tilt it so that the water will slide off, if that make any sense. So if y'all didn't have that problem, let me know in the comments what y'all think that I can do. But we did tilt it. So now the water is not coming in. It didn't come gushing out. But I'm going to put a video just to show y'all exactly what I'm talking about. But as y'all can see, cousin, it's nothing major wrong with it. But I definitely got to get this tilted. I definitely got to get it tilted so that little water won't be dripping out. But like I said, it's small drips. But I still want to show y'all. This is in my dining area. And like I said, this is the whole slide out right here. But this is the only place that is dripping it is right up in here. So far, y'all, those are the things that I did not like. I did not like getting broken into. I didn't like that our slide was leaking. And one more thing, the internet. Y'all know I told y'all that we had T-Mobile, turned T-Mobile in 10 days because it was not working right. A lot of people say that theirs work right, but it really don't. So we went and got Verizon. So Okay, cousin, this is me hooking up the Verizon, and I couldn't get the home edition because the address that we have, they said they did not support it, so we actually had to get the business edition. So I do got my business name on my internet because you can travel with the business edition. So as you can see, I'm just trying to hook it up because I'm ready for some good internet. But y'all, there was an old video of me first hooking it up, and we do got the internet, and it have been working pretty good so far, so good. But it's still not unlimited. It's 300 gigabytes with the business edition. So again, we gonna see how this work, and I'll be back to let y'all know. So far, Verizon have been doing good. So like I said, I'm gonna keep y'all updated on the internet. But those are the major things that I do not like about the RV so far, that I cannot find good, reliable internet. That is my only problem. So y'all let me know in the comments. A lot of people was talking about Starlink, but I'm not ready to pay that upfront cost for Starlink. I have heard another one called Nomad Internet. So if this Verizon don't work as good as I want it to, I probably will switch to Nomad Internet. But okay, cousin, enough of my rant. See, the water is sitting on top of this slide. See, I need for this slide to tilt over this way so the water can run down. But right now it's on top of that slide, and as you can see, the water is sitting there, so it's seeping in the cracks of the slide. See, cousin, I told y'all I wasn't playing. You see them boxes, they still in the window and they still keeping it cool. But catch y'all on the next video. Thanks for watching, cousins.